If you've ever tried making crepes at home, you already know the struggle. Batter sticking to the pan, uneven cooking, messy flipping, and somehow ending up with something that looks nothing like the perfect crepes you see online. If that sounds familiar, this little kitchen gadget might save you a lot of frustration. Today, we're taking a look at the Gourmia Electric Crepe Maker, a compact 8-inch crepe maker designed to make homemade crepes, pancakes, tortillas, and even blintzes much easier for beginners and busy home cooks. The idea here is simple. Remove the guesswork and make consistently thin, evenly cooked crepes without needing professional skills. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right out of the box, the Gourmia keeps things straightforward. It has a clean, compact design that doesn't take up much counter space, which is great if you're working with a smaller kitchen, apartment, dorm room, or RV. The 8-inch cooking surface feels like a sweet spot for most homemade crepes. Not too large, not too small. What immediately stands out is the nonstick cooking surface. Instead of worrying about batter sticking or tearing delicate crepes, the coating helps food release smoothly, making the entire process less stressful. The unit feels lightweight but not flimsy, and while it's clearly designed for convenience rather than commercial-grade use, it feels durable enough for regular household cooking. What makes this crepe maker different from using a traditional frying pan is the included batter tray. Instead of pouring batter directly onto a hot surface and hoping for the best, you simply dip the heated cooking plate into the batter tray. This creates a thin, even layer almost automatically. For beginners especially, that's a huge advantage because getting the right thickness is often the hardest part of making crepes. In everyday use, the one-touch operation keeps things refreshingly simple. Plug it in, let it heat up, dip the surface into the batter, and wait. The 800-watt heating system warms up fairly quickly and distributes heat evenly across the cooking area. That consistency helps eliminate those annoying undercooked centers and overcooked edges that often happen with stovetop cooking. The cooking process is also surprisingly quiet since there are no moving parts or complicated settings to deal with. For busy mornings, it's easy to see how this could become part of a regular routine. Whether you're making breakfast crepes, quick pancakes for the kids, or warming tortillas for dinner, the process feels faster and less messy than juggling multiple pans. Cleanup is another strong point. Once the unit cools down, a simple wipe with a damp cloth is usually all that's needed. There are no complicated parts to disassemble, which means less time cleaning and more time enjoying the food. Of course, no product is perfect. One of the biggest strengths is also one of its limitations. The compact 8-inch size is excellent for storage and convenience, but if you're hoping to make large restaurant-style crepes, you may find the cooking surface a bit restrictive. It also lacks advanced temperature controls, so users who enjoy fine-tuning cooking temperatures may prefer a more premium model. Compared to similarly priced crepe makers, the Gourmia stands out because of its simplicity and beginner-friendly design. Some competitors offer larger cooking surfaces or adjustable heat settings, but they often come with a steeper learning curve on a higher price tag. The Gourmia focuses on ease of use, quick cleanup, and consistent results, which is exactly what many home cooks are looking for. Overall, the Gourmia Electric Crepe Maker is best suited for beginners, families, students, and anyone who wants a simple way to make crepes without turning breakfast into a kitchen experiment. It's not the most advanced crepe maker on the market, but for convenience, ease of use, and value, it does a lot of things right. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you're tired of uneven crepes and messy stovetop cooking, check out the link in the description to see the latest price and availability for the Gourmia Electric Crepe Maker.